here is Saphe Link app. So let's just tap to get it and double click to install. And yeah, this is the app to avoid fines and accidents. This app alerts you about speed checks and other hazards on the road. Speed limits with speed assistance. It shows you the speed limit and warns if you're driving too fast. But yeah, at the moment it only works on the major roads and motorways. It works perfectly with Apple CarPlay, and then you can just get accurate alerts and all of that. And there is a premium subscription where you can get access to navigation, Apple CarPlay, speed limits with speed assistant. So yeah, if you driving through some place, for example, especially if you driving for the first time and you don't know the area exactly quite well, and maybe you missed some sign or something, some speed limit you didn't know about or something like that, you can very quickly get a fine and all of that. Like with this app, you can avoid that. The idea is that it just notifies you like all the speeding limits and some additional hazards on the main motorways and on the main roads. And then, yeah, you just need to create an account and then just put this app in your car and try it out. And yeah, it's just, you can avoid some fines. Of course, probably it's just working again on the major roads, but it's pretty cool idea. And it can be quite a helpful app. But as you can see, the average rating is not that high yet. This I'm just reading through the Danish App Store, but yeah, this app is just getting all the data about all the speed limits from their database for some like GPS tracking and some their own research, and then you don't need to be worry like if you miss some sign or something you didn't see it, then this app will just notify you that, for example, you are just driving too fast and something like that. So yeah, I hope that is helpful.